So my Boston Whaler Sport 130 that I rebuilt is at my cottage. I've been cleaning it off. I haven't been down to the cottage for several weeks now, so I had to power wash some of the mud that was on the bottom because it was sitting in the flats, the mud flats down by my cottage. So I've got it cleaned up, cleaned out the inside. Everything looks good on top and bottom. You can see just behind, of course, the strap, the lightness of the gel coat that I put on. I think at this point, a little bit later in the winter, I will probably put it in order for the correct gel coat match and have it ready for the spring. And I will scrape that area down and put the correct matching gel coat on it inside and out. And then once that's all dried, I'll get the copper paint on the bottom. You can see pretty clearly right where the water line is on this boat. And like I said earlier, it rides really high in the water. So it's taking a little bit to get used to for me to be that high off the water. I'm used to my boats being quite low. I've got my outboard, my Tohatsu 25 horse, just running in some fresh water with some Dawn dish soap in it. That's what I do to all my outboards, and it works well. It's got a good, strong tail stream on it. So I think it's going to be in good shape for next spring, although I do know that I have to make some adjustments on the carb. Right now, I think I have the choke out just a tad. Yeah. That choke's off all the way now. It idled okay, but it just felt a little soft when I was running it. And next year when I get out there, I just want to be able to, just go fishing, all my lobster gear. I've got some ideas of where to go flounder fishing now after some success with catching them in my lobster traps. So I really want to do those things this coming year. But probably my next steps will be to get this covered. I will probably use this piece of spruce lathing that I have and just make a little bow on it, and then put a tarp over it or double tarp it. It's fairly sheltered from the wind here. We just had a strong storm that moved through. No problems, just a lot of leaves came down. The trees here are all pretty good. They're all spruce. None of them are going to fall over anytime soon. So I think this will be the resting place for the winter. And yeah, I'm looking forward to next year and my rebuilt Boston Whaler Sport 130.